Distribution of stomata. Stomata are tiny pores which are present on the leaf surface, usually on the undersurface of the leaves, and entry and the exit of gases and transpiration process is initiated through stomata. For in case of dicot leaf and in case of a monocot leaf, distribution of stomata is different. In case of dicot, usually you find undersurface, the lower surface of the leaf has got more number of stomata. Now I am going to show you one thing. Just check out. I have taken a leaf, and this leaf is quite a thick one because I need to remove the epidermal layer. So to remove the epidermal layer, you need to take such a leaf which is quite thick. You can choose lily because lily is best, as I do not have lily in my garden, so I've gone for something which is thick. So let me show you how to remove the epidermal layer. And you can remove the top layer also and the undersurface layer also, as I have taken a monocot one. So distribution of stomata will be equal in both the layers. Now let me show you the technique how to remove the epidermal layer. In this experiment, as I said, distribution of stomata, I have chosen such a leaf which is quite a thick one, and probably if you ask me why I have chosen a thick leaf, the reason is, for a thick leaf it is very easy to show you the removal of the epidermal layer. Now you can see already I have taken out a portion. Still I will try to show it in front of you so that you can practice it. Try to remove it in such a way that clearly you can see the epidermal layer. No, I'm afraid yes. Now try to locate the region. I am removing, I'm slitting it, and you can see this portion. Try to see it. It has to be transparent enough. This portion. See, this very slight and transparent portion is showing me the epidermal layer. Now this, if you ask me which layer it is showing, it is the lower epidermis. And if you take out a bit more, yes, I have got one over here. See, the technique is very simple. You cut it, take an angle, just follow an angle and then start removing. But removing time, be careful enough. It twice or thrice you need to practice. Can you see the transparent region? Try to follow the transparent region. This region, which is very much transparent, I am removing it to show you very clearly. This is the layer that we are looking for, and our whole experiment will be based on this. You can take the top layer, you can take the bottom layer. For a dicot plant, the undersurface distribution of stomata will be more, and for a monocot it is equal. So if you ask me, is this a monocot or a dicot? Answer is very simple. For a dicot leaf, a reticulate venation is seen, that is, mid vein is there, side veins, and then the veinlets. For a monocot leaf, usually a parallel venation is seen, where you can see the parallel lines. So this is a monocot leaf. You can choose lily. Lily is best. I do not have lily in my garden, so I have chosen this. And you can see the transparent region. Just cut a simple, always take a new blade at the time of an experiment. I have taken a new one. Just take this part. You can take it with a needle also. At this moment I do not have a needle, and I do not want to use my knife because it's going to spoil this layer. And before taking it, make sure that you have a glass slide, cavity slide if you are using for preparation of a mount. At this moment I am not preparing a mount. I have taken the slide, a clean slide. You can take cover slip. I have done this to show you the technique. You can practice it at home. Little bit of stain I have taken, saffron, and you can choose a stain so that the cells can be colored. First you remove this layer, put it in the stained saffron for some time. And then after that, if you find the stain is too deep, just rinse it, that is put in simple water, plain water, for some time, so that the extra stain goes away. And then take a small section on your slide, place it, simply put a drop of water, place it, and then check it out, try to arrange a cover slip and observe it under microscope. So let's practice it a little bit. I do not have a needle at this moment. I do have a needle, but at this moment I do not have it. So I'm going to use only my blade, and already I have removed, I have shown you also. A needle is always best. You can see it very clearly, it can be seen. We have reached our final step. In this final step, as I have said, again I'm repeating, I have used a stainer, but as it was very quick, so it has not taken the stain. You can keep it in the stainer, that is coloring part, for a longer period of time, and after that cut out the two edges as I have shown using a blade. Cut out the two edges. Edges means to get a proper size, a square section kind of thing, and then you try to place the cover slip in such a way that it doesn't doesn't have any water molecule, as I've used water only. So place it in such a way that it doesn't take any water molecule. Just these steps you follow, and then you will be able to observe. After this has to be placed under microscope to see the distribution of stomata. As I have taken the lower surface, naturally I'll be able to see the stomata, the presence of stomata on the undersurface or the lower surface of the leaf. I have used a monocot leaf, that's why equal distribution is expected, whether I am taking the upper or the lower surface of the leaf.